Alright, everybody seemed to like the original Fitbit videos that I did, so I'm going to go ahead and make a new series of videos with this Charge 2 that I finally got my hands on. It was an open box, but I am going to set it up from the very beginning. The previous owner didn't actually use it, so I'm going to go ahead and bust it out of the box here. And first thing I'm going to do is supply power to it, and then start the setup process. Alright, I've got my USB power cable plugged into USB power, and what we're going to do is take the watch here and line up this button with the notch on the power, I guess a clasp I'll call it, and just line it up so that all of it makes contact. And once it recognizes that there's power, you'll see the version number pop up, and then you're going to see it'll just say fitbit.com/setup, but you don't have to do that, hopefully, because you're going to watch my video. For this video, I'm going to show you how to continue with the setup using the Fitbit app. If you don't have a phone and you need to use the desktop version, just comment below, and if I get enough comments, then maybe I'll go ahead and show you how to set up your Fitbit using a PC. But for now, go ahead and download the Fitbit app in either the iTunes or the Google Play Store, and then you're going to open up the app. Now this is assuming you know how to download an app, I guess. So hopefully you do. If not, then I'll have to make another video on how to do that. But what we're going to do is make an account if you haven't already. I'm already logged in. So I've selected my account. We'll see if I can focus here so you can see what I'm working on. But then what you're going to do is set up a device and then scroll down to whatever device you're working on. For me, it's going to be the Charge 2. And go down and hit setup. Agree to terms and policies. And yes, we've already went over that. It's just the band and the charger, and says make sure the screen turns on. So we've done that, I do believe. There we go. So now it says to pair your tracker. I've got my number 8513, so 8513, and hopefully it'll start connecting here. Kind of hard to focus on both at the same time, but there you go. You see a check mark on the screen of the watch here on the Fitbit, and it says, would you like to pair with your phone? Hit pair. It's pairing your device. It says update is available, so I'm going to go ahead and update that. Alright, you see the check mark there on the Fitbit. That means that the update has been pushed out to it. So now we're just waiting for the phone to catch up. And there we get the check mark from the phone, and it says update complete. And reach over the phone again. See if I can get us back into readability. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And Fitbit would like to make data available to nearby Bluetooth devices even when you're not using the app. I don't really care, so okay, sure, why not? And you're all set. Finally done. So let's hit done. And sure, why not? And now it takes you to settings. So I got to this screen and I was really confused what I was looking for because I didn't read the full description, but all that's asking is for you to toggle on the Bluetooth sharing. Mine's already on. That's this one here, by the way, that one. So click that on if you want Bluetooth sharing on, and then go back to the app. And if it hasn't already kicked you out, I'm gonna go back in here, and now you can see the Charge 2 is connected. I have no battery, but it also says that it's syncing. A second ago it says it was connected, so I know that's good. There we go. Connected, it's synced, and it should be ready to go as soon as I get my battery up to enough power to turn on all the way. Let's see. There we go. Oh, there we go. So now the Fitbit device is ready to wear. I would charge it up all the way, the rest of the way. At least that's what I'm going to do before I put it on. But you're good to go. Alright, if you've got any other questions, go ahead and comment below and I'll try my best to get to all of the questions. If I get a lot of the same type of question, I'll go ahead and make a new video covering whatever the topic is in the questions. And the other thing is I will continue to update this playlist that this video is in. And so there's a good chance that whatever your question is may also already be answered in another video. So go ahead and check out my Fitbit playlist. And yeah, hopefully this has been helpful for you. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe.